Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps are just for tracking spending or making investments. SureSave Finance in 2026 shows that a well-designed app can actually help you save smarter and reach your goals faster. SureSave automatically analyzes your income and spending habits to identify opportunities to save. For example, it might spot recurring subscriptions you forgot about or suggest adjusting weekly spending to hit a savings goal. The surprising truth is that small, automated tweaks like this can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. The app also allows you to set multiple goals and visually track progress. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying down debt, SureSave breaks each goal into achievable milestones. Most people fail at long-term savings because goals feel abstract, but SureSave makes them concrete and motivating. Another standout feature is predictive savings. The app estimates upcoming expenses based on past behavior, then recommends how much to set aside automatically. This proactive approach prevents overspending before it happens, a feature most traditional banks don't offer. Security is strong. SureSave uses encryption and multi-factor authentication, ensuring your financial data remains private. Unlike a bank, it doesn't hold your money directly, but it links with your accounts to provide accurate tracking. Limitations include the lack of direct banking or investment services. You'll need separate accounts to hold or invest your money, but for monitoring, planning, and consistent saving, SureSave excels. So, is SureSave Finance still worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone who wants an intelligent, automated way to save and track finances. Subscribe for more reviews that cut through the noise and help you make money work for you.